Hello, welcome back to Texoma Classics Upholstery Shop. My name is Brandon. Today we're going to be talking about the patterning process. As I've said in past videos, the cars that we get aren't in the best condition. So the seats are pretty worn out. A lot of times the seat covers that we try to source out, you can't buy reproductions. So we have to make the covers ourselves. We had to source out the exact replica materials and then sew it up the exact same way that it was sewn before in order to reproduce that look. This particular seat cover, we had to use 4 different types of material, 2 different cloths and 2 different colors of vinyl. Each piece of material has its own specific use. Some of the vinyl has to be used for piping. Some of the cloth has to be used for buttons. In which case, we have to make sure that everything looks exactly the way it came off of the showroom floor. Once we get it all sewn together and done and get it installed, this is what the outcome is. This particular seat back, you may have seen in previous videos. This is actually the armrest that I showed in the last video covered in foam. And this is the finished product. Stay tuned for more videos. We'll be going over a little bit more in detail on the different things like what we do with the seat frames outside of just the repairs, what we could do with the foam outside of repairs, and also anything customized with the seat covers. Thank y'all very much for your time. Y'all have a great day.